Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates from Darsh Drama.
Hello Darsh, what you got today?
Today I got a new crane set.
Oh, crane set. Oh, wow, Discovery.
This is
360-degree action,
yes,
jumbo motorized.
yes. Crane
Crane
is my
set.
favorite construction vehicles.
Did you know? One of the earliest types of cranes was called the schedule. Schedule was used more than 4,000 years ago in ancient Egypt to move water.
Oh, this one is the bigger one.
See?
They come with
Wow.
this big crane and a remote control. Even all these sign stuff and those stuff for to make some stuff. See, we can collect that and we can collect that and we can also collect those. And we have the crane.
Oh, they also have two in one space projector, 61 pieces RC construction set,
and
and
a
outdoor
projector.
adventure camera. Oh, nice.
But I got this one.
Yes.
Okay, it's time to open it. I had to build it. See, I had to build it.
Yeah. See what all they have.
These are for the crane.
Yeah.
And these are the instructions. And stickers. I like stickers. Oh, even this funny thing. Oh, even was accessory.
Yes.
Accessory. Oh, even the big crane tower.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's like a tower. And what? Oh. Even the remote control. Tap it, tap it. Oh. And up and down. Ah, the crane. It's huge, right? Wow. These are so much stuff, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we had to put batteries. We have to put batteries, Papa. I know idea. I know that we can get the batteries from. Oh, Papa. Great thinking. We can use those.
Yeah. Let's assemble.
Now, what do we need first? Right, you have to take all these in this. Now, how do you open this? How do you open it out? It's a mystery. We have to first open it and check if there's anything for
Yeah.
this. We have to open it.
Yeah. Let's open it.
Yes.
Open it first. Now fix the stickers.
Okay.
Show me the stickers.
See?
Yeah.
One is all red. We always stick one on.
Yeah. Which man has a jackhammer?
This one.
No?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We put this man with jackhammer.
What?
Here.
No. What we do with jackhammer?
We can make a hole. Then doo.
Oh, it's complete now.
Yes. And the batteries are in.
Yeah. So switch it on.
Yes, I know where it is. Over here. See the light?
Yeah.
I'll show you. See? It can turn.
Yeah.
I'm turning.
Yeah.
Turning. We go up,
Wow.
down. I can pick anything. You like this, see? The down one goes up.
Wow. Can you read this one? Let's check. Okay. See? Down, down, down. Wow. Wow.
Then we just take it off. Now
Wow.
see my traffic jam.
Yeah.
All the cars are honking because of this big wall in the way over here.
Oh.
They wish they could move. That because of the construction. Videos, subscribe my channel. If you like my video, click here. If you want more videos, write my name. Bye.